Hey guys, hi once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been long, but guess what I'm doing today? Cassavas. Ha! So today we are washing cassavas. Yeah, abuchirita sanga karibu kidogo so that they can be able to see how I'm doing it. Now this is how a cassava can be clean like this. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, you get it. Yeah, and you can show them the other cassavas that I'm washing. This is at home. I'm also washing cassavas. Show them. I'm putting them there so that they can be able to dry. Yeah, so just show them there I'm washing. You make sure that you wash until they are almost white. Can they be able to see me perhaps? Yeah, so you see like this. You did this, like this one. Then I put them there. Like this one. Then I put them aside. Hivyo sasa, hiyo ingine ni kwa ng'ombe. Hiyo wameona ina. Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm at home as usual. I told you most weekends I'm usually at home, and I'm feeding our mongina. Our mongina, I told you, is a good feeder, very good. A very good feeder. So move closer, so they can be able to see where mongina usually eats from. Just close, still close. I want them to see where mongina feeds from. Yeah. So guys, this is the place mongina usually feeds. You can see. I don't know what it's called, but this is where it feeds from. You can see. Yeah. Mongina is a good feeder, and let me go and show you. Just come. Let me go and show you Brandon and Bravin, as I had told you previously. They are here. They are also having their lunch. Yeah, I think it's lunch. They are having their lunch here. Can be able to see them feeding. Yeah, there they are, beautiful, very handsome. Yeah. And they are very friendly. I've missed them a lot. So this is where they feed. They are very playful, like this one. This one is licking my leg. Oh, this one is friendly too. Yeah, and they love playing. Yeah, so you can be able to see them. Just move far a bit far. They love playing. They love playing. Like this one is very playful. Very playful. Yeah, even this one is playful. Yeah, so and this one here, guys, this one is Isabella. You remember the other time me telling you about Isabella? Isabella is also feeding. She's a good feeder. Yeah, there she is. Yeah, so there she is. She's a good cow. So guys, I want to show you I want to show you these are the cassavas. You remember the other time I was washing cassavas? You can be able to see these are cassava plantation. These are the leaves. Yeah, so this is how cassava is grown. When it's big, we usually chimba down na tunatoa the cassavas. For those who don't know blackjack, this is blackjack. It's a type of weed. Yeah, it's called blackjack, the one yenye inashika nguo. And then guys, I want you to see sweet bananas. So you can move closer so that they can be able to see sweet bananas. So guys, you see this thing, normally we don't remove it because they say it's the one that absorbs the milk so that the plant can be able to grow bigger and fast and plump, you know. Yeah, ikwe tu kubwa, like ikwe healthy. So this is how the sweet bananas usually grows. It's still young. Yeah, still very young. And guys, for those who don't know Napier grass, this is Napier grass. Kisii is a blessed land. This is Napier grass. It's good food for the cows. Yeah. For those who don't know tea leaves, these are tea leaves. These are tea leaves. I can show you how we usually pluck them, like this, like this. So this is hii ndio inawatengenezea majani tea, the tea that you usually take. These are the tea leaves that make the majani, okay? Yeah. Guys, this is the kahat I was telling you about, a resting room. It's made of bamboos. Yeah, it's our resting room. It's a good one. Can be able to see it. This is where we rest. It's one of the best places to have some ugali, saga, maziwa mala, tea, breakfast, you know. This is how it looks like inside. Yeah, don't mind the as it looks. Those are chicken. So guys, for those who have never seen a home kitchen, this is how it looks like, our traditional kitchen. This is where you insert the kunis. Insert them like this. Like this. And then you can insert the sufuria like this one. Cooked some mboga. You can insert it like this and cook. It's a very good traditional fireplace where we cook our food. You can see the chimney up. Malina tolea moshi. So the outside kitchen where I usually cook from. This is the chicken house. I don't know how we call a house of where the chicken live, but this is it. This is where the chicken sleep and where they lay their eggs. Yeah, and you know guys, me, I'm a fan of rearing chicken. I really like rearing chicken. Yeah, and let me show you some of them. Here are some of them. The others are resting in other places, but these are just some of them. And so guys, let me show you where Mongina and Isabella usually sleeps. I told you, the cow I previously told you, they are Mongina and Isabella. I can see another chicken. I don't know, it's laying there or it's just resting. This is where Mongina and Isabella sleeps. Mongina sleeps here, Isabella sleeps here, and our twins, Brandon and Bravin, sleeps in the third one. Yeah. So guys, that's it.